In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to verify your account inside of Exness. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to either sign into your account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Then from here, it should bring something like this. And then you can see up here, if you haven't fully completed your verification inside of Exness, then this page should be popping up where you can see you'll need to fill your account details to make your first deposit. From here, you'll need to go over to the right hand side where it says complete profile, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see this page right here. Now as you can see, you can verify your contact details, and it will approximately take 5 minutes to do. And the first thing you need to do is confirm your email address, where you need to add in your email address and phone number, and from here you'll need to just confirm it like you usually would. From here you'll need to add your profile information, where it gets a more tailored experience, and lastly you confirm your phone number that I also told you about up here. From here you'll simply click complete now, and then from here the first step is to answer in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, country of birth, and your gender. From here you also need to add in your resident address that you'll be asked to be verified on a later date. From here you'll just need to click submit. Then from here you'll be asked to upload a picture of your ID, driver's license, or passport. And you'll just need to do that, and don't worry, it's 100% secure. And once you've done that, it'll ask you to add in some verifiable information about your address, and you'll just need to put this in like also. From here you'll need to click submit again, and then will be asking you some couple questions about your trading experience in the past. You just need to be as truthfully as you want as possible. Then from here you'll just need to click submit, and then from here this page right here should be disappearing, and you'll also be able to see over here that your account has been 100% success completed the KYC. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!